So our pump is now fit with a manifold that's pretty much complete to try to do a first prime and run tomorrow. We've got the intake out in the lake, kind of a convoluted 45 angle going at an angle down in the lake. We're going to be watching this very closely because these lake levels come all the way up over the road in the big floods. So we're going to be doing some additional float for right now. It'll reduce some of the tension on that larger straight piece. And we do have a union here that rotates, so we may be able to rotate it when the water levels rise. And in any case, during really big floods and all, we can disconnect that and then wait it out. We've got the discharge outlet here going to this meadow over here, big area there, and we've got two discharges here, one going down between the two lakes this way. I mean, there's 800 foot down that way, and then a further distance down, but we're not going to go much further than 800 foot with it there. There'll be another pump down there in the future because we can get power down at the other corner. And then there's one right here, the one that has this blue valve on it. This is going right out past the power pole and out to that big meadow out there. The meadows, it's several acres out that way. And so we've got three big areas that we're going to be irrigating, and we're going out with a 2-inch flat tape hose here, and then to manifolds, and down to 1 inch, and down to 17 millimeter 5/8 or half, or whatever you call it, the drip. And here in the future too, we'll have the 2-inch, but we don't have it now, can't afford it, and we ended up with this roll of 1 1/4, which is bigger than 1, so it's better. The bigger diameter, the better for running a distance. And so we'll have to get by with that for now for running the distance, but then in the future we'll most likely swap those out or just add onto here the 2-inch barb fitting so we can carry the 2-inch hose, take the water out through that. All right, everything's wired up. We've got shielded ground going down there to the ground post. Just need to put the wire in the terminal there tomorrow morning. Everything's hooked up and pretty much ready to go. So we're gonna report back tomorrow, and hopefully we're gonna have the water flowing tomorrow and get ready for summer.